Ever feel like you're heating the entire neighborhood in the wintertime? Well, your uninsulated foundation walls might be the secret energy vampires sucking away your hard-earned dollars. I'm inspecting this foundation wall here, and it's insulated. These rigid foam panels are attached to the foundation walls of this crawl space. It could be a basement. And they're like the thermal bodysuit for your home. They're just not keeping the basement or the crawl space cozy. They're keeping money in your wallet by preventing heat from making a quick getaway. Now, this crawl space is under construction, but the panels will be running continuously from the top to the bottom with sealed joints. And that's because heat is sneaky and will escape through the tiniest little gap. Chapter 4 of the International Residential Code has specific requirements for foundation insulation, and that varies depending on the climate that you're in. In zones 3 to 5, for example, crawl space walls need at least an R10 continuous insulation. Think of the foundation insulation as a thermal dress code for your home's foundation that changes based upon local weather conditions. Properly insulated foundation walls can save you 10 to 20% on heating and cooling costs. Plus, your floors won't feel cold in the winter, and your air conditioner won't work overtime in the summertime. For my inspector colleagues out there, check these panels, make sure they're well secured and tightly sealed. And remember, energy efficiency starts from the bottom up. And I'm Ben Gromyko in a crawl space, and I'm from InterNACHI, showing you how the foundation insulation in this crawl space being built can make this home more energy efficient.